Hi guys, today we're going to make a fault model. I have here the printed template of fault model that we're going to use for our demonstration about types of fault. Now we're going to learn about the types of fault using our fault model. But first, let us know what is a fault. A fault is a fracture or zone fracture between two blocks of rock. As you can see in our fault model, it shows the focus and the fault line. This is the fault line. Focus is the point inside of the earth where the rock starts to break, while fault line is the area inside the earth where the rock is broken. Now let's determine first the difference between the hanging wall and the footwall in all faults. The hanging wall is the block above the fault and footwalls below. The hanging wall will have an angle less than 90 degrees at top, and the footwall will have an angle greater than 90 degrees at top. Let's get started with the faults. In normal fault, the hanging wall moves down relative to the footwall. These faults are called normal because this is what would you normally expect. The faults are a result of tension, which stresses or pulls the rock apart. Normal faults are common along divergent boundaries. The Basin Range area is an example of this. A reverse fault occurs when hanging wall moves up the footwall. These are called reverse because this is what reverse of what you expect as a result of gravity. Reverse fault occurs when as a result of compression, which is a stress that squeezes the rock together. In a strike-slip fault, the blocks moves past each other horizontally. A strike-slip fault occurs due to shear stress, which pushes the rocks horizontally but in opposite direction. San Andreas fault is an example of a strike-slip fault. Thank you guys for watching and stay safe.